Welcome to Garry's School of Camp Cooking. Tonight we're going to cook sausage and lentil wampum. For a change, we're down the New Forest. Seems to be our seems to be where we go camping all the time at the moment. But yeah, not a lot really to see. So let's get on and show you the ingredients. So we've got sausages, onion, garlic, red pepper, vegetable stock and lentils. So what we'll do is we'll fry the sausages up until they're brown, and while they're cooking we'll chop up the onion, garlic and red pepper. Right, well, I think that'll do. We probably could brown them a little bit longer, but that's enough. So we'll take those out. We'll put them on the lid. We don't really have anywhere else, so we'll put those on there, and then what we'll do is we'll put the peppers, onion and garlic into the pan. Get that, and we'll cook all. That's it. Alright, that will do. Right. Right, that's it. Right, we'll cook that for a few minutes until it's all softened up. I might turn the gas up a little bit now. Want you on there. Oh, go away. Right, that's it. Right. That's it. Right. We'll let that cook for a few minutes to soften down. Right. Well, I think they've softened down enough. So we shall add our lentils. Give that a stir. Not well. So we've had half a cup of lentils. So, oh God, too full. So we'll have one cup. Maybe we'll put 1 cup, 1.5 cups of water or stock. I'm never too sure, to be honest. So we'll add that. Obviously, because we're camping, we don't actually have stock, so we just add water, and then we throw in our stock cube, which that'll soon melt down. Turn it up a bit. Where is it? There it is. That'll soon melt. Don't panic. Let that melt first. Right, we'll let that stock cube dissolve a bit first, and then we'll add the sausages. Right, well, I think that stock cube has dissolved. I can't actually see it anymore as we stir things through, so we'll add the sausages back, put those in. Any juices, not that there's much on that, but right, we'll put those in as well. Right, and then we'll bring that up to a boil, and then we'll let it simmer for about 20 minutes. I'm never too sure whether I should put the lid on or not, and every time I do this recipe I change my mind, so I don't know. You might know more about cooking lentils than I do, but as I say, I seem to change my mind every time I do the recipe, so I'll put the lid on to bring it up to a boil. Well, and then we'll make a decision once it starts simmering. Right, well that's simmering away now, although it's probably boiling more than simmering, but that's fine. You could scrape that scum off on the top there, but let's face it, we're camping, so we can't be bothered. So, but I think we'll put the lid on loosely, and well, we'll leave that for about 20 minutes, and we'll come back to it then, see what it's like. I forgot to add, you want to make sure you stir it every so often. It might actually be useful to let you know that I put the lid on this time. As I say, I can never make my mind up whether I should have the lid on or off, but we put the lid on this time. I think we've got about another, how long we got? About another 7 minutes to go. Right, well, we're just coming up to 20 minutes, so I think that will probably do. We'll give it a stir. You have to watch, because it does catch on the bottom of the pan sometimes. Well, not sometimes, most of the times, but yeah, there you go. Sausage and lentil, one pot, done. Right, I shall get on and eat that, and I generally tend to eat it with some crusty bread, and well, Brockenhurst has got, they've got a brilliant bakers, well, along with butchers and all the other shops. So we got a crusty roll that we brought some at lunchtime, and we saved one for supper tonight, so we'll have that with our lentils. So yeah, right, well, I shall speak to you all again soon. Goodbye.